Hey, what's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here with yet another video, and today I want to show you how to make $100 per day using Clickbank and Reddit. So if you're looking forward to the content within this video, as always, please give me a like. Obliterate the like button right now because it helps the YouTube algorithm. And also subscribe to the channel if you're here for the first time. On this channel, we teach you everything that has to do with helping you live a life and create a business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And don't forget to tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into the content. So I'm going to be showing you a 8-step process on how to make $100 per day with Clickbank and Reddit in 2020. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to clickbank.com, which we will do right now. So clickbank.com, and the first thing that you want to do is you want to sign up for a Clickbank account. And the way to do that is to simply click the sign up button. When you click the sign up button, it's 100% free to join. All you got to do is enter your details right here and then agree to the terms and conditions and then go ahead and continue. After you've done that, then all you need to do is go back to clickbank.com and click on login. When you log in, you're going to enter the email address or account nickname that you created when you first signed up, and then your password. You're going to click on sign in. And the first thing that you're going to see is your account dashboard with your weekly sales snapshot. So you can see right here, I haven't been doing a lot of promotion on Clickbank right now, as you guys know, for those of you guys that are following the channel. But we've got some decent earnings over the course of the past few weeks. So this is going to show you by week ending, and then of course by the last couple of weeks right here. Then what you can do is go to Marketplace right here. And right here, you're going to be able to see all the categories that the products that you can promote are included in. So in case you guys don't know what Clickbank is, it's a digital marketplace, much like Amazon, but focuses solely and mostly on digital products. And what I love about digital products is there's less overhead and you're able to earn much higher commissions. Some of these products pay out up to like 90% commissions, and you don't have to pay to play. With a lot of products out there, you actually have to pay to play. And there are some benefits to that because there's not as much people promoting the same products, therefore there's less saturation. But for beginners, this is a great way to get started. So what we want to do after we go ahead and we create a Clickbank account, we want to go to the marketplace and select virtually any category. So in this case, what we can do is we can go down to like health and fitness. So for example, this first product right here is called Research, the Godzilla of offers. And on average, it pays out about $105.41. So this concept right here, you guys, when we go and click the promote button, we've got our account nickname right here. We click on generate hop links and we share this special link out there on the internet. When we make a sell, we get a cut of the commission. That's of course called affiliate marketing. So in affiliate marketing, the merchants that are on Clickbank that are advertising their products here, and us as affiliates can promote when they go ahead and allow us to use their marketing assets. They might teach us some traffic strategies. They may not. It really just depends on the product. But what they essentially do is they create the product. They take care of the fulfillment for the product, the sales material for the product, all the customer service for the product. All we need to do is just simply get website visitors, get eyeballs to the product. And in this case, we're going to use Reddit to do so. We're going to use Reddit to rank our Reddit post at the top of Google. So when somebody types in the product name plus Reddit, we're ranked at the top so we can actually siphon off that traffic, siphon off those website visitors, and make some easy commissions. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that in complete and utter detail. But essentially, we're going to be sharing this specific link inside of our Reddit post. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and close out of that and move on to the next step. So what we want to do is we want to find a product that has at least a 30 plus gravity. The gravity score is going to be under the product right here. This is actually 772 gravity. So that's an indicator that the product is selling really, really well. So a lot of people say go away from the competition. No, you want to go where the competition is going, because that means that people are making money. That means that people are making sales. Okay, so you can see all of these products right here. This product has a 268 gravity, 472 gravity, so on and so forth. And what we can do is we can go back up here and we can sort by gravity. And so we want to be promoting, once again, products that have at least a 30 gravity or above, which all of these do. So what we can go ahead and do is we can take this product, for example, known as Research, and we can go on to the next step. So once we've gone to the marketplace, we've selected any category. As you can see on the left-hand side here, we selected health. And then we found a product that has at least a 30 gravity by sorting by gravity. Then what we want to do is we want to type the product name into Google and see if Google's instant search shows the product name plus Reddit. If it shows up, then move to the next step. If it doesn't, then you go back to step 3. So what we're going to do right now is demonstrate this live. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to type in the product name, which is Research. And you'll notice, let me actually go here, and this is going to give us a better idea. I'm going to go straight over to Google, right? Google search engine right here. And then we're going to type in Research. So you'll notice that as I type in Research, you can see, I'm going to go ahead and remove these up here. But when I type in Research, you can see that it says Research, Research Review, Research Ingredients, Resurgence Clothing. Google is actually giving us exactly what the consumer is typing into their search engine. In other words, it's going to give us the most popular search terms that are related to exactly what we're typing in. So if we go ahead and begin typing in review, right, you can see, check this out. Reviews 2020, reviews Amazon, reviews Reddit. Boom. So since this is showing up, Research Reviews Reddit, this is an indicator that people are looking for reviews on research through Reddit. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just click on that here. And then you can see all the different articles, videos, posts, so on and so forth on Reddit that have to do with research. So for example, here's one right here. This looks like it just has a video right here. I'm going to go back. I want to find one that has a post that's a good example of an affiliate post. This one isn't either because there's no affiliate link here. Let me just kind of keep on moving on. Okay, this is a great example right here. Perfect example. So here's an article, the image, and I believe the image probably, let me see, it might just pull up the actual image, which it does. But you're going to see, check out our research supplement reviews. You can see that this is linked out to a review site likely. So when we click on that, it's going to go straight to a review site. And then as we scroll down, there's affiliate links everywhere. Okay, so if I click on this image link right here, it's going to take us straight to the affiliate product. Now that's where our affiliate links come into play. So if I go back to Clickbank over here and we grab our affiliate link, like I showed you previously, we generate this. We grab the link. We could share this link over here, right, in our specific article. We're going to be doing this in a little bit different way, but you could see this is actually their affiliate, their Clickbank affiliate link right here. Okay. You can kind of see that in the bottom left-hand corner. If you look closely, it says kiboco.co/research. They're just using some sort of tracking link software to make their link look a lot cleaner, their Clickbank link. So they've essentially taken the big, long, ugly link here and they've made it shorter. And the way that you can do that is you can use tools like bit.ly.com. Okay, I believe it's bit.ly.com. And you could just plug in your link right here, your Clickbank link, and click on shorten. It says it's an invalid URL. So sometimes, depending on, oh yeah, it's because I forgot the H. Go ahead and click on shorten, cool. And then we could just simply copy this and we can share it within our article that we're gonna have created that we're gonna post to Reddit, okay? So I'm just gonna save that here for now in this window. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump back over here. Step number 5. So now that we've found that, we typed the product name into Google and we saw if Google's instant search shows the product name plus Reddit, which it did automatically show that for us. So if it shows it, move on to the next step, which we can do. But if it doesn't, you'll go back to step 3 and you'll find another product. So I would go back here, and this Leptitox product, I would again go back to google.com and I would type in Leptitox right here. And I'll type in reviews as well. And look, you can also see that this says reviews Reddit. So this also passed our test. Okay, so we could simply do a review in Reddit on that. So the next step is to find a good review article about the product on Google. So with our research product, all we need to do is go back to Google and type in research reviews. Okay. And what you're going to do is typically the top 3 results are going to have quality articles within them. So this one right here is ranked at the top. And what we can do is we can actually take this whole entire article that they have right here. You see this? We can take all of this and we can copy it. We can copy all of this. This is a good quality review. That's why it's ranked at the top of Google. And you can see it's got affiliate links embedded throughout it. So if we click on here, it's going to take us to the website. But essentially what we can do is we can go to a place called fiverr.com and then we can type rewrite article. Okay. And what we can do is we can copy this review, this entire review, over to a service provider on Fiverr, and they're going to go ahead and rewrite the article so it's 100% unique, so we're not plagiarizing. So we want to look for 5-star ratings, at least 4.8, 4.9 to 5 stars, and a lot of reviews. So this is a decent one right here, 34 reviews, all 5 stars. This one's pretty good too, as well as this one. So we can click on this. We can go ahead and continue and pay the $5. We can paste the article and have that written. After we do that, it's very, very simple. We'll create a Reddit account and post the rewritten article with your affiliate link. So all we'll do is we'll go to reddit.com. Okay, so if we just go over to reddit.com, what you'll do is you'll create an account up here in the top right-hand corner. You can see that I'm logged in here, of course. If I go ahead and log out, I'll go ahead and show you. You'll go ahead and click on the sign up button, okay, if you're not signed up. And then I like to continue with Google. I just use my Google account and then you're good to go. So once you continue with Google, it will ask you to also create a username. Once you do that, you can now create your first post. So I'm gonna go ahead and log in, as I've already created an account. Should log us in automatically. And boom, now we can go up here to create post. And all we're going to do is take that article that we got from Fiverr and we're going to go ahead and paste it right here. Boom, we'll paste it. And then all we need to do is kind of model what this article did here. So where it says click here to get research from the official website, if we were to add like a link to our article, so we'll say that we already have our article pasted in here, but then we want to add a link that links out to our affiliate link from Clickbank. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and highlight this whole click here to get research from the official website. We're going to click the link here, and then we're going to go over to Clickbank or even bit.ly, which is, we already obviously shortened the link, and we're going to copy the link right here from right here, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to, boom, paste it right here and click on insert. So I'd say every like 500 words or so, you can include the link to, the actual website of research, of course, through your affiliate link. So you can see how they kind of sprinkled, they didn't completely spam this article with a bunch of affiliate links, but you can see where it shows orange, they linked out to the product here. Then they linked out here, they linked out here. So it seems as though after every few paragraphs, they're linking out. And you could do the exact same thing. And then what'll happen is when people go to Google and they type in this case, research reviews Reddit, you'll be ranked near the top. And as long as you have a quality review following the methodology that I just showed you, people will click, people will buy, and you will begin making that $100 per day. So with that being said, I hope you got value from this video. If you did, go ahead, like this video, subscribe to the channel, tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them, as well as when I go live weekly. And if you want to learn more about how to build an affiliate marketing business from complete scratch to generating up to a 7-figure plus income, if I were to log over here to my merchant account and I click sign in, you can actually see I might need to verify this. I'm going to go ahead and verify my account here. You guys can see this is legit, no shenanigans. Just got to enter in the code here and we're signing in. And you guys can see yesterday $56.99 we did, today $292. Month to date, we've done over $90,000 in sales, and this year we've done over $500,000. And this is something you can't fake. So I know what I'm talking about when it comes to making money online. Again, if you got value, please let me know. Check the resource section below, subscribe to the channel, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Take care.